अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज का दिन जो है ना, मौसम बहुत बेहतरीन है इधर डेनमार्क में। और आज मैंने बच्चों को कहा कि चलो चलते हैं, थोड़ी साइट सीइंग करते हैं कोपेनहेगन की। और बच्चे कहते हैं नहीं नहीं, हमने गाड़ी बैठना है, हमने घड़ी बैठना आईपैड पे और अपना होमवर्क करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है। मैंने कहा अभी इसको बंद करो और आप लोग मेरे साथ चलो, क्योंकि डेनमार्क का जो वेदर है उसका कुछ पता नहीं होता। जिस दिन अच्छा मौसम है उस दिन जो है ना हम बाहर निकला करेंगे। सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट डे इन डेनमार्क वेयर वी आर आउट इन द मेन कोपेनहेगन इन द सिटी फॉर सम साइट सीइंग। सो लेट्स गो टू द डेनिश बुर्ज खलीफा। So can you see Danish Burj Khalifa is right there, and but the kids doesn't know that.
Burj Khalifa?
Where? Where? This? No, this is not. Come, let's go. Is it good? You just bought the iced teas, boys. Is it good? Tasty? When I was teenager, I drank a lot of iced teas. As you can see, बहुत मौसम ज़बरदस्त है आज हमने जैकेट भी नहीं पहनी हुई। और डेनमार्क की यही खूबसूरती है कि जब मौसम अच्छा होता है तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, और जब ख़राब होता है तो बहुत ख़राब होता है। दुबई की गर्मी से आके अब हमें इनका ख़राब मौसम भी हमें अच्छा लगने लगा है। Boys, can you see Burj Khalifa? Yes, this is the Danish Burj Khalifa. So small. Yes. Yes, we are going inside there. Soon it's our turn to come on inside. Elias, he is very fascinated about the Danish Burj Khalifa.
Small.
Small. He's collecting bottles. So this is the another side of Copenhagen. So as you can see the prices, here is the new updated prices. When I was here last time, it cost me 15 kroner to come on inside. And now it's increased to 40 kroner, but it's also a lot of years back, so I think it's okay. So this is the Trinitatis Church in Copenhagen, which is inside the Rundetaarn, just right beside the Rundetaarn. Come, let's go up. Come. This is the hike, Californian hike. The Danish Burj Khalifa, boys. What do you say? Nothing to say. You wanna hike? I'm okay. Yo, I'm okay. I'm used to walk the Californian hikes, which is very much uphill, more than this. Oh, let's go up. You need to exercise more, Adam. So this is the Parliament building, and just right beside this there was a big fire in the Parliament building for a couple of months ago. We have to go up. Yes, come on. लगता है बच्चे थक गए. Alrighty. I think we are up now. Now we just have to take the stairs. The stairs here are very narrow. And wow. a beautiful Copenhagen. So this is still the Parliament House. Can you see the bridge there? Which one is that? Öresund. And this is connected to Sweden. Yeah, yeah, they are all Sweden. This is also a church there. Is it time to go down?
Yeah, but what the-
Time to go down again in 1 minute. Was it fun, guys? Elias? Is it the Denmark's Burj Khalifa? Der er det der. Denmark's Burj Khalifa?
Tæt på. Så lidt af Burj Khalifa.
It's too so small of Burj Khalifa.
It's only like now we're gonna go get shawarma.
Not yet. Not yet. What is inside?
Hvor kom du? Prøv at se.
Der er langt ned. It's a big hole there. Oh my god.
Kan vi stå der?
Nej, du skal ikke de andre lov også.
Vi er supposed to.
Yeah, it was fun, right? Yeah. So we had a very good experience here. This place is called Rundetaarn, and this is the shortest version of Burj Khalifa, as Elias says. बहुत मज़ा आया है और this is in the main of Copenhagen, just right beside Nørreport station. आप आएँ और यहाँ मज़ा करें, लेकिन उस दिन आना जिस दिन मौसम अच्छा होएगा, otherwise it will be freezing. So now we just finished Rundetaarn and now we are actually going to order Adam's birthday cake, and this is the oldest bakery in Denmark, in Copenhagen, and of course we want the classical birthday cake for our classic boy, who is turning how many years? 10. It's a round birthday, you know. So there's another one who has birthday on 17, Adam. You remember? Shoe Uncle. He was in Japan. Yes, and last year we celebrated your and Shoe Uncle's birthday together. Of course, we will celebrate Shoe as well the day after tomorrow. Let's go to the bakery and see what they have a variety. Now we are on the main walking street. There's a lot of tourists here. So now we are just passing the one and only sports shop where you can buy football kits. And actually, I also wanted a shirt. So let's go
I
inside.
wanted a shirt.
Yeah, you always want something. So this is the bakery, La Glace. Let's go inside and look at the variety they have. Og snakke med dem i forhold til noget fødselsdagskage. Yes, so we ordered Adam's birthday cake and we are looking very much forward to taste it. I just love everything from that bakery. And now we will have some late lunch and we will have some shawarma from the walking street, which is the best one. What is this, Elias? What is it? What is it? Chili, the best chili in Copenhagen. No, the best one. This is the best meat inside here with salad and dressing. Is it hot?
Yeah, that's what I'm putting it in here.
Can I see yours, Adam?
Yeah.
And with some chili inside, then it will be very nice. What is this, Adam? What is this? It's a bug bite. Oh my god. So we just had our late lunch and was it good, Adam? Nice. So now we will just take a walk here in the walking street and you can also look around. We don't have any plans more. Yeah, and I'll show you around if there's some good things. to see on the way back to the car. This is the best ice cream in the whole world. You're just passing this shop and you're thinking, let's go inside and take ice cream while we are here. Skal den der i munden igen, eller? Is it good ice cream? Is it bad? It's good.
Normal.
This is not normal.
Earlier says.
Now we are heading the Danish Burj Khalifa. So we are soon in the car. अब शाम पड़ रही है और अब हम जा रहे हैं शहर से, थोड़ी शॉपिंग भी हो गई है और अब हम घर जा रहे हैं। आज का ये इतना ही था एंड प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड family, and I hope to see you inshallah again soon. Bye.